Hello everyone. Today I am going to start with sessions of one of the course of Diploma in Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. The course name is Data Structure Using Python. Before starting with that, let you let me introduce you to the few of the terms. In computer field, the terms data and information are different. There is a distinct thin line between these two terms. Data is the input, which is unprocessed raw facts which are given as input to the computer system for processing or for operation, and the computer system generates the information is nothing but the data having a meaning. There are basically three types of languages: low level language, or machine level language, or which is also known as a 0 1 language. Basically, computer understands only 0 1 language. Second type of language is middle or assembly level language. The processors are designed using middle or assembly level languages. Third type of language is high level language, which is a kind of English language which is used by the programmer. We are working on high level languages only. The examples of high level languages are C, C++, Java, PHP, Python, or many of the frameworks like .NET, etc. Now, as these are the high level languages, but computer understands only machine level language. It means we have to convert this high level or middle level language into low level language so that that program or software will run on the computer system. For that purpose, we use translator, which does the job of translating these languages into low level languages. There are two types of translators: compiler and interpreter. Compiler and interpreter find out the errors, and if there are no error, it converts the high level language into low level language. But the difference is that compiler compiles the whole program at a time and it's faster, but interpreter interprets one line at a time, so it's slower. Now we will start with the Python language. Python is a high level interpreted object oriented general purpose programming language. This Python was created by Guido van Rossum in 1991. It is one of the most popular programming language these days. In AI and ML field, Python is the language which is getting used on a regular basis. Applications or uses of Python are web development, machine learning, data science, automation or scripting, game development, and software development. Advantages of Python are: it is easy to learn, free and open source, means there is no paid version of this. The large community support is available on the internet. It is portable and versatile language. It means the program written on one computer system or any operating system can run on any other computer system having any configuration, having any platform. Versatile means because Python is providing a big library. Disadvantages of Pythons are: it is slower than compiled language because it is interpreted, it requires high memory, and it's not so much suitable for the mobile app development. What are the tools or software setup is required for executing Python code? We need to install the Python software. Once you install the Python on your system, the Python interpreter and the IDE gets installed. We will see that one by one. So we will start with the software installation of Python. For installing Python on a computer system, you have to visit to python.org website. Under download section or on a home page, you will see Under download section, we can see over here download Python install manager and get the standalone installer for Python 3.14.6. It is the latest version. We have to download these two setups for the installation of complete Python. Now, once the setups are downloaded, we need to run the files to install the Python completely. I am executing this downloaded version of 3.14.6. Once we run the program, it is asking for the installation of Python. I am clicking on installing the Python. Now the Python is getting installed. Let the process complete. Meantime, we will see the features of Python which I have already explained. Python is an interactive language, means it is interpreted and it is used for creating interactive real-time application. It is an object-oriented language, means it allows modular programming. As I said, Python is a platform-independent language, means the program run on one computer system can be executed on any another computer system. These are the features of Python. It is very simple to use. Let us see the installation. It is getting installed. There are multiple ways of executing Python code. You can write Python code and execute it in many ways. There are it will be showing us window very soon. Okay, now its setup is successful. We have seen one download. Let us see about another. The Python manager that we have downloaded. It will ask for the installing Python install manager, that is the launcher. We will install the same for the complete setup. Okay, it is asking for few settings, just type yes. App execution license. Again, update setting now, yes. Allow, yes. Open installed app now, say yes. It will load the installed app. Now everything is done. We will see how to check whether Python is installed or not. On the install manager, it is asking for one more setup. Say yes. See Python now, yes. It is installing Python 3.14.6. It's downloading. Once the setup is done, we have to check whether the installation is done or not. Let the setup complete it first. Now the setup is done. Now do we need to see the online help? As of now, no. Okay, now we will check whether the Python is installed or not. There is a simple way, just go to the window, press the window key and type py. It will show all the installation is done over here. And the first basic way of executing Python code is by interactive mode. When you press the window key and type py, it will show Python 3.14 app. This is interactive mode where we can write the code. See, it is showing the Python 3.14.6, the version, and this 3 greater than symbol is there. This the interactive mode or the Python editor window is started. Now, if I want to just print welcome message on the screen, in Python we use print function, where in bracket, in double quotes, we type whatever we want to display and then close the function and press the enter key. It will display the message on the screen. This is the window where on the same line it is showing welcome message on the screen. Now, another way of another way of uh, checking the code of Python, simply type here cmd and open command prompt. We are into the drive, and the user, to jump to the root drive, we have to type cd slash. We will come back to the root. To go to the Python environment, type Python and press enter key. It will again show Python 3.14.6, the version, and the interactive mode is started. Type print function, display a message on the screen and press the enter key. This is how we type or write the code in Python environment. This is Python editor, either through command prompt or by this Python 3.14 app. To exit from this interactive mode, type exit. We will jump to the command prompt again. Type exit. Again, the command prompt will be closed. Here, to close the window, type exit. It will close the window. This is how we write and execute the simple Python code. Next, we will see in the next session.